You're always healthy.
I like to be healthy.
All right,
I want everyone to be healthy.
But you've written a note, so you've turned healthy into an acronym.
Instead of one New Year's resolution, I suggest start with lots of happy, healthy New Year habits. And so if you use and you break down the word healthy.
I'm going to write this down now.
Please do. And I'm going to post it on my Instagram. I'll put it on my website, janeclaus.com.
H is for?
H is for helping others, whether it's opening a door for someone, carrying a heavy bag, volunteering for your favorite charity, or even a simple smile when you pass somebody by.
And that is a good thing for your mental health and the health of the world.
Mental fulfillment relieves stress, and it makes you feel good all over.
E.
Exercise. That should be a gimme. Listen, if you don't exercise at all, just get moving. Walk 20 minutes 3 times a day. Take the stairs. Hire a trainer. Just motivate yourself to move just a little bit.
It's
definitely going to make a difference. It always makes a difference.
Hey!
A is, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So,
do you mean literally an apple or like fruit as a category?
Nutrition.
Nutrition, okay.
Is key to living a healthy life. So incorporate protein, fiber, eat good fat, complex carbohydrates. They're your friends. People say, I'm not going to eat the carbs. But no, complex carbohydrates, that's like oatmeal.
All right, so L, I'm going to guess L is for, hey, loser, stop eating all that food you shouldn't eat. Is that right or not right?
Not right.
Oh, okay, because you take a more positive track.
Well, love someone.
Oh, love. That is more positive.
Releases endorphins all over the body. You know, the little tiny feel-good vibes that make you happy.
And spread some love in the world.
That's right. So if you don't have a soulmate, love your pet, love somebody else. Just love somebody every day.
Nice.
Have love in your heart.
What about T?
T, take a dose of P.M.A. P.M.A. stands for positive mental attitude. It makes the world go round. So positive mental attitude. A positive attitude is contagious. So put a smile on your face and look at the bright side of things. H, healthy is as healthy does. So lead by example. Be a role model. If you live a healthy life, other people will follow.
And why?
And why is you are number 1. So make sure to take time for yourself. Balance is the key to living a healthy life. So create balance with your work, with your personal life, family, friends, and be sure to take time for yourself.
Yeah, because that's
Manage
not being
your stress.
selfish. You can't take care of anybody else till you take care of yourself.
And just remember, wherever you are right now is exactly where you're supposed to be.